I'm Bregan, and welcome to Extreme Makeover Heart and Home. As a mom with two very active sons, keeping them occupied and in order can be a full-time job. My personal experience makes me very sensitive to the active Holtzclaw children. This family activity center is open and accessible, just what the family needed. Team Bregan dug deep to make this renovation happen with the help of Leanne Rhymes. Their execution was impressive. This is the last floating desk.
All right.
And we measured them based on each girl's individual height. Zach, do you think you could help us out here?
This is really heavy, actually.
Do you want us to hold it level?
Here. Wait, I think we need to...
Get one screw in and then you can...
Yeah.
Mom is very organized running the household. So right by the music nook in the family room, I've created a custom family daily activity wall, equipped with bulletin boards, inspiration boards, a to-do list, and a DIY art wall, so the kids can have at it themselves every day.
And they have a chore chart.
Yes, so Mom can keep track of everything.
And they can't get away with anything if it's right there.
Not when you have a chore chart.
Nope.
I needed to put the activities where the kids could reach things. This cabinet was one of the key elements. So these are based on the girls' individual heights. You have Jaden, Emma, and Lily.
Very cute.
And they're retractable desks. It's a super creative family, and there was art everywhere throughout the house before.
They can create new art now.
Right, and in an organized fashion.
Yeah.
Wanted to help Mom out. Chore chart, little desks, still encourage creativity, but put it in its own space.
Yeah, absolutely. That's so important.
Thank you, Zach.
Yes, thank you. That looks great.
Perfect. The Holtzclaw family, much like my family, loves to dance and sing at the end of every day.
Someone plays piano.
They all play piano, and
wow.
they do it together as a family.
Very cool.
This is their original piano, but I wanted to make it a little bit more special, so I thought by individually putting these on the keys, just elevates this piece that's already really important to them.
I love that.
So these work almost like little piano tattoos.
I like it.
So you peel them off, so you just stick it right on there.
Yep.
I think that like individualizing something as beautiful as a piano really will help like elevate the creativity behind it.
Of course, yeah.
One down, a million to go.
Yes.
But I believe in this. I believe in us. Hopefully we'll get this done before they come home.
It's going to be pretty.
We're gonna have to leave that perfectionist behind today.
Yes.
I wanted to make sure the kids felt special. Look at what we did. This busy family was hindered by inaccessibility. Now, with the space opened up and the family nook in place, the Holtzclaws will be as active as ever.